When we talk about Vogue Femme, we need to talk about 5 elements: catwalk, dogwalk, hands performance, floor performance, and spin and dip. Today, we're gonna study hands performance. Hi everyone, I'm Abismal, and today we're gonna do a choreography, a small choreography, just to know some code, some movements about hands performance, just to bring a better performance and to tell stories, because one of the characteristics of hands performance is just to tell a story. Today we're gonna use circles, touch or tapping, and that's it. It's a choreography just for beginners. Enjoy this choreography and don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and share with your people, with your friends, family, because that helps me a lot to reach other people. So I'm going to tell you that this for me is tapping, when we do a little touches on myself, on my body, or outside. And sometimes I really like to call touch when we do like a caress, you know, but it's a long touch. It's not tapping, it's touch, you know, like it's long. But if you go on a class, a Vogue Femme class or something, maybe the teacher is not going to tell you that. It's just something that I use in my classes. So it's not wrong if someone doesn't tell you that. It's good. It's just touch and tapping, but sometimes I really like to do that, teach in that way. So first we're gonna use tapping, okay? So with one hand we're gonna do 1, then around the head, and then we go to the other shoulder, 2, then we are gonna use circles, doing 1 forward and then pop with our elbow straight and our toes goes straight too. Fingers goes straight. We're gonna repeat with the other arm the same thing. 1 around the head, 2 circle forward, 3 and then straight forward, 4. We're gonna do the same thing with both arms. 1, 2, 3, but 4 is going to go around the head and we're gonna stop in front of our face. Here, stop here. We're gonna do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and repeat both arms. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good? Nice. So we are doing like touch and tapping, or tapping like I said, and circles. Just for the moment we are doing that. So stop here and then you are gonna do the same thing like around the head, one by one. One by one, it's 1, then 1, then 1, then 1. Okay? I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I know that you understand me. So we stop here in 4 count. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to repeat, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can do like simple, like 5, 6, 7, 8, or you can do like I did it twice. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Just so you know, I'm going to post every Tuesday and Thursday, just if you don't want to miss my videos. Let's continue. We stop here, 8, and then we're gonna cross and cross. Then we're gonna go down and then we push forward. Okay? So we stop here, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So that figure, it's really like common maybe, It's really easy because you are here and you are going to cross, then you are going to do this, and then you are going to cross again, and then you are gonna open again. Okay, so cross, open, and that's it. You are here and then cross, open, one thing that maybe helps you is you are going to cross one hand and in the next movement you are gonna cross the same hand but for the other side. You open and then you cross to the other side. Here is backward, this hand, and then it's going to go forward. Just to remember, we are gonna do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. And now, just to finish, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so from here, we're gonna do a caress, a long caress, then we're gonna change our arm, caress, and then we're gonna do a circle here, pose, then circle, and pose, tap. Okay, so you can go here with this pose, you can go here, you can go here, you can go here, you know, whatever pose, it works. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and caress 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pose. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last one, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was our choreography. I hope that helps you a lot. Remember that we use tapping, touch, and circles. Maybe later we can do other figures, other movements. Remember to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and if you have questions or do you want to comment something like, I don't know, I want to learn about something in specific, you can go to the box and just comment. Remember that you can find me on my other social media as Abismal. You can send me a message if you want an online class, personalized or for groups, because I have my group, my online classes in groups. So see you soon. Thank you and see you later. Besitos, a lot of kisses. Bye-bye.